Hi guys, this is Emmy with Entropy Crafts coming on today with my Saturday morning makes. This is my first time participating on it. It's hosted by Jillian Norwood Designs. It's an open collaboration, and I made this with things I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put first the photo of the house that inspired me to do this. So what I did, I started with the vase. The vase was bigger than this because I wanted to do a village, so I wanted 3 of this, but I got this 2 months ago, and by the time I decided what to do, which was like a week after that, I couldn't find any gingerbread houses. So last week I finally gave up and I got the base to fit only this house. So it's an isolated house now. And I started with the base is made with napkins from Chipotle. I kind of did balls with the napkins, and I glued them, and then I left them for a day so it will dry. And then I painted the whole thing with white paint, and it was enough. And then I went ahead and I used a snow writer. Let me see if I can find it. You can find it in Michael's. I had this for years, so this is what I used for the vase. And I just covered the whole thing with the snow, leaving the place for the house, you know. And then I started playing with this wood pieces I got from the Dollar Tree. I got different trees that day. I got this, so I just added like it's in a forest, you know. And then 2-3 weeks ago I got this tree at the Dollar Tree, and because I thought, okay, it needs a main tree, you know. And then it was all white, so what I did, I added stickles, like gold stickles and a silver one, and then I added a star I got from Hobby Lobby. And these were charms from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut the loop, you know, on top, and that's it. And for the house, I painted it with some gold paint. I painted it so many times because I wasn't happy with the color. I started with alcohol markers, white paint, different colors. I tried them out and I didn't like any until I found this gold, and I really like how it turned out. Then I made the frosty thing with Nova drops, and I added some pom-poms from the Dollar Tree. These candies, I got them from the KS Cafe store. And then for this, I just added the stickers all over. And these blinks are from the Dollar Tree. And these little guys, I don't know if you can see them. There you go. These little guys, I got them at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. I went last week with my friend. And then for the roof, this was an ornament, so I didn't have a roof, so I just used this die cuts I had left there, and I thought, okay, this can be the roof. And over here doesn't have this because I didn't have enough, so I started from here until here. It's until here, and here I put just white paper and I cover it with the snow, you know. And then I used this garland all over the thing, and I forgot I wanted to add this. Wait, I'm gonna add this. Give me a second. There you go. It's done. And it lights up. This tree, it like you have to turn it on from the base. So I just made kinda a base there so it fits and it doesn't fail. So it fits perfectly. And then for the house, I need some help with some tools, so because I don't have access to the thing, you know. So let me turn it on. There you go. And I also added in here, I added another light for the trees, so it lights up like this. I'm gonna do a video without lights, so you can see how cute it looks. But yeah, basically I covered this with foil paper, and I used glitter paper. This other paper I got from Michael's. I added some stickles, and to the trees I added some snow because it seems it's snowing, so I thought the trees need snow as well. And yeah, and that's all. I think that's all. And I forgot that at the house, at first the sum of the house, the ornament, I took off the trim it came with, and I took off this part, and on the back I glue tool that tool that comes with some snow on it, on white. So I covered the windows with that tool, so it seems that in the windows is snowing, you know. And for the door and this little candy cane that the house has already over there, I add vellum on the back, so you cannot see it because with the camera you can appreciate it, but I use a white vellum on this part, the whole thing, and I just paint the vellum with my alcohol markers red here, so it will be melted with this green and red. I thought it would look cuter, and since the door has hearts, I painted that part on red as well. I won't have a Christmas tree because I live in a small apartment, so this is gonna be my Christmas tree. This is really small. It seems big, but it's not. Let me see. It's 8.5 inches for less than 6 inches. Is 5 3/4. So yeah, it's a small thing. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. I'm gonna put a video now that how it looks in the dark. I hope you like my video, guys. If you like it, I would love for you if you subscribe to my channel. Thumbs ups and comments are always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I will happy to help you out. This light is a light I got long ago from Amazon. It's a fake cork. It's meant to use for bottles, so you can use the bottles as decorations. But I have so many that I thought, okay, I can use this, and it turned out great because I just played with them. I hide the thing between the trees. You know, you cannot really see this. It's very thin, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.